ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dyin Barbecue, back in front of the grill today. Today we're going to be doing something super simple, real quick, great tailgating side. What we're going to be doing today is smoked queso. I've got all my ingredients laid out here. We're going to get into throwing that thing together, but if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's do a smoked queso. Alright, so let's get into building that queso. What I've got here is 2 pounds of velveeta. Then I've got 16 ounces of Munster. Next I've got 1 pound of chorizo and 1 pound of Italian sausage. Get that thrown off in there. Then I've got 2 cans of rotel. Juice and all goes in here. One can cream of celery soup. You can use whatever cream of you want, but I just like cream of celery because it doesn't really change the flavor of it, and it works out well in this dish here. Then I've got 1 slab of smoked cream cheese. We're just going to take and toss this off in here. Something like that. Alright, now then that we've got this all mixed up, I got my smoker turned on. We're going to let it come up to temp. I'm going to be cooking this today on my Pit Boss Austin XL. We're going to be running at 350 degrees. It's going to take about 45 minutes. We're going to stir it about 3, 4, maybe 5 times during the cook, just so that we make sure that it all gets melted and blended together. Once that smoker comes up to temp, we'll get this on and start smoking it up. Alright, so we've been on there about 15 minutes. Let's open it up, give it a mix, make sure we get an even cook on this thing. Alright, we've been on there about 30 minutes. This thing's looking pretty freaking sweet. Let's give it another stir. We just want to make sure that all that cheese is melted in here. Whoa, she's looking delicious. We're gonna let that thing go about another 15 minutes, and then it'll be ready to pull it off, grab some chips, and we're gonna eat. Alright, so this cheese dip's been on there about 45 minutes. We've got good melt on all our cheese. Thing's looking just about right. We're gonna go ahead and pull this thing off of here Let it rest up for just a minute. Then it's ready to serve up to your guests. Alright, so here it is. 45 minutes. We've got a nice smoked queso. Super cheesy, super creamy. Something you can serve to your guests. Now hey, if you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page, @Dyin Barbecue. I also got a Facebook page, Dyin Barbecue. We just cooked up smoked cream cheese out there on the pit boss. It's creamy. Cheesy. And it's delicious.